Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Revan Shani Vlogs. So today we are going to be telling how to do videos with Canva and ChatGPT. So with this we can make stunning, beautiful, fact videos. So we can make that and become popular and earn money through Instagram or YouTube. So today I'm gonna be explaining the video. I'm gonna be explaining in detail. So let's see. So first we need to go to create a design. So let's go to it and we have to search YouTube Shorts. So when we search it, it should be this one. So, yeah, we have to click on it. So then the second step is to go to apps. So when we go to the apps, so before going to the apps, let me show you a trick with the ChatGPT that is useful. So let's go to the ChatGPT and enter our prompt. So the prompt at this will be given down in the description. So guys, we're going to get the part 1 and change the color to so we're gonna change it to chewy again. It has been changed to chewy. So in the next part I'm gonna continue it. So just for today I'm gonna be talking about the text. In the next part I'm gonna be doing it, which is going to be tomorrow. So yeah, so we're gonna be changing the thickness to 150, yeah, this is 150. So we'll just copy it. We can copy